ideas to make your channel blow up in 2020. This is specifically for ASMR videos, but can be used for any type of videos or channels. Number 1 is we have top 20 triggers. One of my favorites is the video game controller, specifically for the Nintendo Switch. Top 20 videos always blow up, especially trigger videos. People love triggers and tingles. At number 2, we have medical doctor roleplays. A lot of people love watching roleplays, but specifically doctors. That's all I really have to say. This could be about cranial nerve exam, eye doctor exam, ear doctor exam, yearly checkup, literally anything. People love doctor ASMR roleplays. Next is unique or unpopular type of ASMRs. So, although this is kind of contradicting to the last one, doctor roleplays are pretty popular, but very unique ones are too. Like, for example, I recently posted a bullying ASMR where I bully you for not being asleep. That's pretty unique. I mean, I've seen people make videos like knocking you out so you fall asleep ASMR roleplays, but like, they always do well, so try to be unique. Next is cosplay roleplays. So if you watch like a recent anime or played a video game recently and you can create a cosplay of them, make a video about that. A lot of people love roleplays, especially if you're in a cosplay. Next is creating a popular video game ASMR. Part of the reason my channel started blowing up is because of my Animal Crossing ASMRs and Dead by Daylight ASMRs. Animal Crossing ASMRs were kind of popular, but Dead by Daylight was not, so I got to use Dead by Daylight to my advantage. Next is telling stories. These can be insane stories, like something that happened at school that was absolutely insane, or maybe just like funny stories or scary stories. A lot of people love scary story ASMRs for some reason. The next one is reacting to old videos. This is perfect and people love watching your reactions. Next is Draw My Life. Although this hasn't been done recently, people love knowing about your lives. So maybe try it. You can also make some nice sounds if you draw on a whiteboard or something. Next is a What's in My Room ASMR. Like I said, people love getting information about you, so don't mind showing off your room to them or even doing a house tour or apartment tour. Next is a daily morning or day to life routine. People love watching your routines and maybe they'll even copy them. This can be pretty easy, like waking up, maybe checking your phone, showering, brushing your teeth, eating breakfast. People love seeing that. Next is ASMR unboxing videos. These are great, especially if you love technology. And honestly, it doesn't even have to be about technology. I've created a lot of Lego unboxing videos, and a lot of people love them. Next is ASMR tutorials, like this one. A lot of people love knowing how to grow their ASMR channels, or even doing like cool things with their microphone, like setting up a Blue Yeti, which is a microphone I use, or just anything. Make tutorials. A lot of people love tutorials. Next is tier lists. People love tier lists. They're not as popular as they used to, but I've created a lot of Dead by Daylight ones, and a lot of people love them. You can do this about anything, like best video game, best fast food place, best season, anything. Next is a question and answer ASMR. As I said, people love knowing about you, so let them ask questions or something in the comments below and answer them in a video. Next is personal attention ASMR. I guess this kind of relates to doctor roleplays and stuff like that, but just giving the viewer personal attention could give them a lot of tingles. Next is ASMR collabs. Recently, I've been making collabs with my friend Cynthia, and a lot of people like them. Or you can even make videos like my best friend tries ASMR or my husband tries ASMR. You could do like anything. People love collabs. Next is gaming store ASMR roleplays. These I've seen get really popular, mine especially. I think doctor roleplays are like number one most popular, but video game store roleplays are number 2, in my opinion. I'm sure there's better ASMR roleplays, even better than doctor roleplays. Next is eating or gum chewing. A lot of people have been requesting me to chew gum in ASMR, which I will get to, but they are very popular and I recommend them. Next is funny videos, or more specifically, ASMR bloopers. A lot of people record ASMR and mess up a lot, or sometimes I get annoyed because a loud motorcycle drives down my street. I'm not salty, but if you combine all of that into a compilation, you can make a great bloopers video. And last but not least, keyboarding ASMRs. There are so many different types of keyboard, like MacBook keyboards or mechanical keyboards and stuff like that. You could just like type or do anything and people will watch them. Specifically, I like watching Study With Me ASMRs or something like that. When I did schoolwork, it'd be nice to listen to. Well, I hope you enjoyed all these ideas, and please let me know in the comments down below if you have any great ASMR ideas that could blow up someone's channel. These are only a couple out of so many that could help you. Also, disclaimer, I should have probably said this in the beginning, but these won't 100% make your videos blow up, but from what I've seen, if you create them well and advertise them and like put in correct tabs and descriptions and stuff, they should help you blow up in 2020. Okay, well, thank you so much for watching. Goodbye.